Alright, it's been in there 25 minutes. It just still doesn't look like it's done though. I guess it is, I don't know. Bubbling. Yeah, I guess it's done. Take it out of there. And then we'll just let it kind of... I think it's done. I don't know. There it is. Hope it's done. I hope that... I guess we'll just have to let it sit and harden up. It smells good. Alright. Yeah, I think it's done. It just has to sit a little while. Bubbling a little bit. That's what I was looking for, but wow, that's good. Whoa. That bacon is delicious. Well, I hope it's done. I just wonder about the crust. Well, we'll let it sit a while. See what happens.